Good morning, children. Today I am going to tell you an interesting story about the honest woodcutter. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. In a village next to a forest, there lived two woodcutters, Shamu and Kalu. This is Shamu's wife and this is Shamu's house. This is Kalu's house. Okay? So these were the two woodcutters who lived in a village. Shamu was very energetic and hard-working person, whereas Kalu was very lazy and mean person. Shamu used to start his work early in the morning, whereas Kalu thinks that starting work at early hours of the morning is boring. So, one day, as usual, Shamu went to the forest to cut woods. When Shamu entered the forest, he did not find any good wood. So, he decided to go the nearby riverside. Shamu came to the riverside and saw that there are very good trees and good woods. He climbed up the tree and started chopping the woods. As he chopped, his axe slipped from his hand and fell into the river. He cried and prayed to God, "Oh God, please help me. My axe has fallen down into the river. What will I do without it? That was the only property which earned money." Mother God appeared to answer his prayers. Mother God asked, "What happened, my son? Why are you crying?" Shamu said, "Oh mother, please help me. My axe has fallen down into the river." Mother said, "Don't worry, I'll find it out." Mother God first took out a golden axe. "Is this yours?" Shamu was stunned to see the golden axe, but he was an honest man. He said, "No, mother, this is not mine." Then Mother God took out the silver axe. "Is this yours?" Shamu said, "No, this is not mine." Now, Mother took out the iron axe. "Is this yours?" Shamu's eyes were filled with joy. "Yes, yes, Mother, this is my axe." Mother God was very much pleased with his honesty. So, she gives away all the three axes to him and says, "These are rewards for your honesty. Take away all the three axes." Shamu took the three axes and went home happily. As he was going to his house, he crossed Kalu's house. Kalu saw the three axes in his hand and murmured to himself, Morning he went with his only iron axe. Now he is returning with 3 axes. Something must have happened. Let me find out. So he follows Shamu. Shamu went to his house and called upon his wife. Where are you? Come fast, come fast. Kalu, he hid himself behind the windows and was listening what Shamu was explaining to his wife. Shamu's wife was also surprised to see the golden and the silver axes. How did you get it? Who gave it to you? What's the matter? Shamu said, hold on, hold on. Today when I was cutting the woods, my axe fell into the river and Mother Goddess appeared and she offered me all the 3 axes. First she showed me the golden axe, then the silver axe, then she showed me the iron axe. I said, the iron axe is mine. So she was very pleased with my honesty and offered me all the 3 axes. This golden axe we will sell into the market tomorrow. Kalu listened everything and went back to his house. The next day, Shamu and his wife went to the market and sold out the golden axe. They bought lots of money and lived happily forever. Few days later, when Shamu was going to the forest to cut woods, Kalu saw him and said, you earn so much of money, then also you are going for work. You can sit at house and enjoy your life. To this Shamu said, no, I cannot sit at home. I have to work very hard for my future. And he went away to the forest. Kalu followed him. Kalu saw the place where Shamu used to come and cut the woods. He waited for Shamu to leave. After few hours, when Shamu left the place, Kalu came to the river and deliberately threw his axe into the water and started crying. Oh God, please help me. My axe has fallen down into the river. God appeared. Mother asked, what happened, my child? Why are you crying? Kalu said, my axe has fallen down into the river. To this Mother God says, don't worry, I will help you out. She first took out the iron axe because Mother God knew that he is playing with her. So she decided to teach him a lesson. Is this yours? Kalu said, no, this is not mine. Next, Mother took out the silver axe. Is this yours? Kalu said, no, this is not mine. His greediness can be seen from his eyes. When Mother God showed him the golden axe, is this yours? To this Kalu said, yes, yes, this is mine. Mother God was furious and said, how dare you to tell me lies. You should be punished. And she disappears with all the axes. Kalu kept on shouting, "Oh Mother God, please help me, please help me, please give back my iron axe. That was the only property I had." But his attempts were useless. At last, he went home empty-handed, but he learnt his lesson. So children, the moral of the story is that honesty is the best policy. Honesty brings its own reward. Hope you liked the story.